Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little review on some teeth whitening. Girl, you guys know I love teeth. Now along with teeth, I love when they are white. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and review that will last about a week long to show you guys the real tea on teeth whitening. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. So HISMILE sent over a little package for me to use and review for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the package. So it comes in a box like this. And then when we open it, ooh, oh, minty. It's nice and pink. I love pink. As you guys can tell, pink is my favorite color. What your bathroom's been missing? Minty fresh. It smells pretty minty. So we got HISMILE teeth whitening kit, HISMILE teeth whitening gels, so I'm sure these two coordinate with each other, and last but not least we got the HISMILE toothpaste, which is pink toothpaste. I'm sold already. Now before I accepted this package and even started a review, I wanted to let you guys know that this is a sponsored video, but that doesn't take anything away from my opinion. Sponsored or not, I will keep it 100 and you guys know the deal. So if you guys didn't know, teeth are so freaking important to me. The first thing I look at when I look at someone is their teeth, 110%. I don't know why I've always been that way, but I don't know, I just am. I just look at your teeth. A lot of people ask me, how do you whiten your teeth? And they always tell me how white my teeth are. And I actually have used strips in the past, but I don't use strips anymore. I just brush my teeth and they stay white. But I want to see if this HISMILE will give my teeth a little oomph that I've been looking for. Instead of going to the dentist and getting actual teeth whitening, you can just do this 10-minute thing at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these. One thing that I actually appreciate from this company is that they really listen to their consumers. They have come out with a new and improved formula for the gel because of the feedback from their customers. So that's super important when it comes to any business, is listening to your consumers because they know the best. And something that I'm a little scared about is if this will cause any pain, because I have tried teeth whitening strips in the past, like the 24-hour emergency strips that literally hurt my teeth so bad to the point where I almost cried at night. I was like, this is hurting too much. Not worth the freaking emergency. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at you. Look at that. Oh, look at that. This is all pretty and shit. So I'm guessing this is like the color. I wonder what I am. I'm gonna get real close to my tooth and see what color I am. I think I'm 3. I'm like in the middle of 3 and 4. Like right in the middle of here. If I can get to 1. Oh my god, I'm so ready for this. And something I'm noticing is the ingredients. They actually are things that we understand, not chemicals that we can't even pronounce. We got some pomegranate, aloe vera, chamomile, super natural ingredients. I wonder if it has like a distinct smell. So this is a 10-minute teeth whitening that I will give you guys the tea on. The tea. We are sipping on some tea. Oh wow, this is actually really pretty. I really like their packaging. It looks so professional. Magnetic, pink, love it. And then we got the toothpaste. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna like look forward to waking up in the morning so I can use my pink toothpaste. So this will keep your breath fresh all day, which is super important. Let's give it a, oh yeah, minty fresh. I love the smell. So you're gonna use this once a day for 6 days, and each gel contains 2 uses. For lasting results, repeat 1 application every 2 weeks. So that's so nice. They gave me enough for 6 days, and then they gave me another 6. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's set the clock. Oh wow, this is so cute. I love stuff like this. So it looks like this, and we're gonna just attach this on top. Get it into the jellies. So it looks like this. We're gonna take this gel and apply 1/4 of it and actually give some measurements. So that's pretty convenient. We're gonna twist the top off. So there's a line going across. We are going to apply 1/4 on the top and 1/4 on the bottom. 1/4 on the bottom. Let's put it in. Okay, you guys, it literally blinked when the 10 minutes was up. I didn't even need to put a timer. So that was easy. Just leave it in your mouth for 10 minutes. It notifies you when it's done, and that's it. Continue this for 6 days, and we will be back at the end to see what color my teeth are on their chart. Doesn't hurt at all. Not any pain. And I'll actually keep you guys updated maybe in the next hour or so if it makes a difference. If not, even better. If they do, I'll let you know. So I will see you guys for the next couple of days, and at the end I will tell you guys how I feel about this product, if it's worth it, if it's not. I almost forgot that the tip is removable, and I was about to wash this in like the most careful way, but you just take off the actual mouthpiece, wash it, and then just pop it on the next day. So that's cool. That's very convenient. It's not one piece. So you don't want to get that battery wet because there's a battery inside. Alright guys, I'm back. It's been 1 week since I've started my teeth whitening experience, and I have all the tea for you guys to make your decision if it's worth it or not. Now before I tell you guys exactly what happened with my teeth, I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of the prices just so you know if it's worth it, if it's not, if it's something you're interested in. So the main box that came with the mouthpiece and the 3 gels is $59.99. So if you get this one thing, it is good for 1 whole week. It comes with 3 syringes, but each syringe is for 2 days, so 6 days. The gel refills are $23.99, so these are another 3 syringes that are good for 6 days. And the cute little pink toothpaste is $10.99. So with that said, let's get right into the results. So if you guys saw, I put a couple clips of me using the teeth whitening. I thought it would be repetitive if I showed you guys every single day. But if you guys remember, I started off with this chart, and this chart I was between number 3 and number 4. So the time has come. Let's check what color we are after 1 week. So after close examination, I have come to number 2. Number 2 is close to number 1, which is the widest you can get them. I thought that was a great jump from 3 to 4 all the way to 2. As you guys can tell, my teeth are super white. Now let's run down with the product. Whenever you have the mouthpiece in your hand, you add the gel and you put it in your mouth, and the timer goes off after 10 minutes, so you don't even have to time it, which I thought was freaking amazing. What I would do is I would put the mouthpiece on, and then I would start cleaning up my room or doing like small little things around the house, and next thing I know, the timer goes off on the mouthpiece and you're done. I definitely saw a difference in my teeth. They are much whiter, and actually the first day that I did the teeth whitening, I saw a big change. Even my fiance noticed. He was like, wow, your teeth are a little bit whiter. I'm like, I know. So starting off with some pros and cons. Pros are that the teeth whitening kit worked. Hello, thank you. A lot of people are skeptical, including myself, about these teeth whitening kits. Do they work? Do they not work? Are they just a scam, or does it actually whiten your teeth? This teeth whitening did work out for me. It did whiten my teeth, and it did everything that it was advertising, which is great. The con, I would say maybe the taste. It doesn't taste like candy or watermelon or strawberries, but you only taste that when you take out the mouthpiece, and if you have some saliva, you spit it out, and then you could kind of taste the gel, but it's not anything like too bad or unbearable. It just doesn't taste like candy. And then with the toothpaste, I thought the toothpaste was so cute. Like, not even gonna go off of if it works, if it doesn't work. It's freaking pink. It's so freaking cute, and it actually worked. I enjoyed using this during the day, waking up to pink toothpaste and then having it done at night, and it did what it was advertised. It freshens your breath, keeps your breath super fresh throughout the day. It's super minty when you smell it. Let's do it. But yeah, you guys, this freaking thing worked. I am so done with freaking white strips. I cannot. Like, that shit hurts my teeth so bad. Oh, another thing, this did not hurt my teeth at all. At all. I was so scared for my teeth to become sensitive when I put on the gel, but after using it for 1 week, I never had any type of discomfort, pain, or that weird icy feeling in your teeth. This is a great alternative for people who want to whiten their teeth and have a sensitivity problem. But yeah, I love doing these reviews for you guys on things that are a little bit skeptical. I am definitely gonna use the other 3 refills just to brighten up my teeth, and let's see if we can get to number 1. But I could keep you guys updated on my Instagram if you haven't already followed me. It's always linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.